Hello all, this is Dr. Ambika and I welcome you all to my channel Health and Fitness with Dr. Ambika. My previous video was about the food that you should eat for maintaining good oral health. In this video, I will be telling you all about the food which you should avoid to maintain good oral health. The two types of food and beverages that cause the most harm to the teeth are those rich in sugar and acidic content. Consuming such products increase the chance of your teeth developing plaque, cavities, toothache, and can also lead to gum problems such as gingivitis. Hard candies also put your teeth at risk because in addition to being full of sugar, they can also trigger a dental emergency such as broken or chipped tooth. Better alternative? Chew sugarless gum that carries the ADA seal, that is American Dental Association seal. Therefore, you should minimize your consumption of sweet food and dessert items like cakes, candies, cookies, pies, etc. Dry fruit. The term fruit makes it sound healthy, but dry fruits has been stripped of all water. What's left behind is similar to a sticky caramel that feeds sugar to the oral microbiome. Whole fruit is far more beneficial to oral health because of the water it contains. So if you find yourself eating dry fruits more often, make sure to rinse your mouth with water. When it comes to minimizing the intake of acidic content, you can look to avoid pickles, wine, etc. A point of note is that while citrus fruits can also contribute to teeth decay, they are also a very good source of important vitamins, especially vitamin C. So they are best if consumed in moderation. Avoid soft and carbonated drinks altogether since they both contain sugar and acidic content. Apart from their high sugar content, all sodas, even the ones with 0 calories, contain a great deal of acid. On the pH scale, many common soft drinks rank between 2 and 3, which is highly acidic, even compared with the drinks such as coffee. Acidity to this level within the mouth is more than likely going to contribute to decay, gum inflammation, and a general dysbiosis of the oral microbiome. If you want to indulge with soda but protect your teeth, drink it over a short period of time. Don't sip for hours on end, and swish with water immediately after to provide a buffer for your teeth. Wait for about 45 minutes, then brush your teeth. Caffeinated beverages such as colas can also dry your mouth. If you do consume soft drinks, try to drink alongside a cup of water. Beans and lentils are food often considered healthy for good reason, but the presence of phytic acid might mean that they contribute to tooth decay. Phytic acid binds to nutrients such as calcium, phosphorus, vitamin D and magnesium and may make it more difficult for your teeth to absorb them. Deficiencies of nutrients like these can make you more susceptible to cavities and periodontitis. The good news is that beans and lentils, when stripped of excess phytic acid, actually promote good health. To eliminate phytic acid, consider soaking your beans, lentils and other grains overnight before eating them. You can also buy sprouted grains, which means their phytic acid content has already been reduced. Ice is for chilling, not chewing. You would be surprised at how many people think ice is good for their teeth. It's made of water after all and doesn't contain any sugar or any other additives. But chewing on hard substances can leave your teeth vulnerable to a dental emergency and damage enamel. Advice: break the habit and enjoy water in its liquid form. Not all coffee is good for you. In their natural form, coffee and tea can be healthy beverage choices. Unfortunately, too many people can't resist adding sugar. Caffeinated coffee and tea can also dry out your mouth. Frequent drinks of coffee and tea may also stain your teeth. If you do consume, make sure to drink plenty of water and try to keep the adds-on to a minimum. Beware of things that go crunch. Who doesn't love the nice, satisfying crunch of a potato chip? Unfortunately, potato chips are filled with starch, which tends to get trapped in your teeth. If you choose to indulge in snacks like these, Take extra care when you floss that day to remove all the food particles that can lead to plaque buildup. Limit alcohol consumption. Alcohol causes dehydration and dry mouth. People who drink excessively may find their saliva flow is reduced over time, which can lead to tooth decay and other oral infections such as gum disease. Heavy alcohol use also increases your risk for mouth cancer. Watch out for sports drinks. They sound healthy, but sugar is a top ingredient for many sports and energy drinks. The American Academy of Pediatrics says sports drinks can be helpful for young athletes engaged in prolonged vigorous physical activities, but unnecessary in most cases. Before your next sip, check the label to make sure your drink of choice is low in sugar or drink water.